Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa. G'day guys, it's your boy Nat Sharky Shorten, back for another episode of Fisherman's Diary. Tell you what, can't say I don't get up early in winter. Pretty much every session so far has been the arse crack of dawn. We are here today at Tingalpa Creek. We're going to throw plastics, we're going to throw hard bodies, we're going to troll a bit. We've got an outgoing tide for the next hour and a half, and then we've got a full incoming to fish. So should be a bit of fun. This time last year we got a few nice flathead. And we got a few fat bream. Hopefully we can replicate that today. I'm gonna start by flicking some plastics around these pylons. You know what else, guys? I've remembered my fucking net today. How good is that? There we go. Oh, you're fucking shitting me. That was a fish. What is going on here? What is happening? Is that it? Okay. I think I see now. I think I see now, guys. Aye. Meant to be a nice day, not a lot of wind. There's a fish. There's a fish. That's probably a little whiting, I think. Yep. Well, I'd say we're going to be dealing with a fair bit of this today. It's just going to be about grinding through these and getting the just staying patient. We know there's got to be nice fish down there too. Can't be all baby winteries. Can't be. Yeah, I got no idea what this is. Okay. Oh, fish, yep. Gotcha. Oh! Came off. Well, something here. Alright, well, we can't hook a fish to save our lives at the moment, but we're gonna put this down to a bad start. You know, it does happen. You do start average at times, it checks out. We're just gonna keep on going. Oh yeah, there's a fish. There's a fish. That's a bit better too. That's a bit better. That's a bit better. Right on the edge of these snags here. Nice one. It took us long enough. He's no monster, but he's way better. I think he's a nice bream, I'd say. Most likely. And that's taken long enough. Yeah, Brembo. Nice one. There we go. First half right fish of the day. It's a bit of trolling. Look, there's a bit of trolling in that. I'm not going to lie to you and say that was easy. It fucking damn sure was not. But we got one. That's what matters. Gotcha. Nope. Just kidding. Lol. Fuck, man. We cannot hook a fish today. I don't know what the fuck is happening here. Hey, it's so fucking strange to me. Yes, finally into one. On the way up. Little perch. Jeez, he's dull in colour, look at that. Guess when they hit the brown water, it probably would make sense that they get a bit duller in colour. Alright, bye bud. Can't say I'm excited about that, but at least we put the fucking hook in a fish. It's a fish. Nope. I'm so fucking lost. I really don't get it. I really don't fucking understand what's happening today. Maybe it's been so tough because I remembered my net. It's crazy how often that happens. The last, I think we're 7 from 7 episodes since I've gotten on holidays, so we were due a tough one. This is the mark of a man right here. If we can pull something out of the fire and turn this into a fucking session somehow, mate, that's some god tier shit. I don't like our chances, but you just never know these things. There's a fish. That's a nice one too. Good eat. At long last. Is that a fish? Have we got 2? We might have 2. I think we do too. Yeah, that's definitely on. There's a flatty. There's another one here. Double up. Look at that. We've gone a long time in between fish, and then just like that, double up here. Well, that's good signs. Oh, please don't snap that rod. 2 flatty in no time at all. Well, there you go. It happens quickly sometimes, and there we go. One on the spike, one on the crankbait. Definitely gonna throw a lure or 2 here. Yes, baby, yes, baby, yes, baby, yes, baby. Let's go. There's a patch of them down there for sure. That's got to be another flatty, doesn't it? He's swimming straight towards us. He's just about giving up, this fish. Just about giving up. What do we got? Not a flatty. It's a whiting. Alright, that's not a bad whiting really at all. Must be a hole down here or something. He's not a shocker. Nice fish. Good eat. You're okay. Not surprising though, once I got that head facing towards us, he was not too long for the fight. There's one. There's one. There's one. What do we got there? Oh no, he's let it go. I don't know what that was. That was a bit weird. Fish. Just a little guy. Oh my god, he was just chewing on the tail of it. Fish. That's a better one. It's not massive, but it is a better one. Better than the whiting, that's for sure. What do we got? Well, it's a better whiting. Fish. Another one. Whiting again, I think. Yeah. Okay. Little winter whiting on plastics. Oh, into the kayak he goes. Fish. Better one. Better one for sure. What do we got? I'm not so sure. I think it's a bream. Nah, it's a trev. Nice. We'll take that. Well, no monsters today, but that's a few different species now at least, so that's good. I think he's a big eye. Not entirely sure. Hopefully there's a few more of these around the boats. See you, buddy. So trevally. We'll take that. That's the first trevally of winter for us, guys, so that's very nice too. Had to be. Had to be. Had to be. Had to be a fish. Very much had to be. Nice cast. Right onto that boat. Oh, we've got a rope there. It's not good. That'd be a trev, doesn't it? I think it's a brim. Yeah, it is a brim. Nice. Good stuff. Well, had to be a fish there. Had to be. It was a very cool eat. Ah, nice one. Don't think it was a fish. That's a fish. That's a fish. That's a fish. A better one. Nice. Well, it was so due. Another brim. Nice. No shocker. Not a big fish. Still looking for something special down there, I would say. We've got our species. We're starting to tick off quantity. Quality has left a bit to be desired so far. Oh yeah, there's one. Gotcha. Nice. Not big. It's a little fella. Little perch. Oh! What? Come on. Yep. We're gonna troll again because it's really been the only method of catching fish that's been somewhat consistent. Plastics fishing's been slow. That tide's too fast now to really do too much more of that, so on the troll we get, hopefully a nice flathead we get. Been so fucking slow. But all it takes is that little to run past one half okay fish. And we are happy as Larry. That's all it takes. That's all we need. Fish. Oh, he's only little. He's only little. What do we got? Waiting. Wintry on the day with spike. Oh, is that a fish? Yeah, that's a fish. That's a fish. Nice. Oh, he's not so bad. He's not so bad. He's not so bad. Oh, right around here, the troll picked up and we'll get a couple. I think it's another whiting. I think it's another whiting. No, that one's a Brembo. Alright. Well, a few fish coming in. Still no quality, but we're persisting is the main thing, and honestly, if we keep going, we gotta get a good fish, don't we? There's a fish. There's a fish. Nice. It's not so bad. It's not so bad. It's bending the rod. That's a good sign. On the troll, it's on the crankbait. I think it's a nice brim. It's not really running. He's coming with us. Look at this. He's being real friendly. What do we got? Yeah, it looks like a brim. Yep, brim. Nice. Not a bad one. Good stuff. Alright, well, the troll is the way. This is better. Feels like we're every chance of a decent fish here. Is that a flatty? Surely that's a fish. That has to be a fish, doesn't it? Yeah, that's a fish. That's a good flatty. That had to be a fish. I was like, there's no way it's not. Oh yeah, it's a good fish. What do we got? Please stay on. Please stay on, buddy. He was fast, whatever he is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we'll let him go. What do we got here? Come on, buddy, let's get a look. What are we running with? It's a nice flathead. It's a nice flathead. Stay on, stay on, stay on, stay on. Stay on, stay on, stay on, stay on, stay on, stay on. Please stay on. Please stay on, please stay on, please, 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 please. Come here, buddy. Yes! 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 How fucking many times today? How many times today, guys? Did you hear me talking about patience? We're gonna get a good one. It's been shit. We've had the worst luck. We're getting slaughtered. Patience fucking pays off with a beautiful flathead on the day with Spike. Yes, sir. That is a nice Tingalpa Creek flathead. Yes, indeed. Oh boy, that's just it, eh? That's just it. You put in the fucking work, and more often than not, you'll find the success you're looking for. I know I sound like fucking... sound like a life advice guru right now, but I must confess, guys, that is the happiest I've been to get a fish in some time, just because we worked so hard for that. Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. No, he's let it go. You're shitting me. Oh, fuck. Oh, man. What the fuck was that? Fish on that troll, baby. Long time in between them, but we got one. It's no monster, but it's not too bad. It's pretty heavy. It's not a bad fish, man. It's a fish, man. Half fish, half man. That's fucked up, man. That's fucked up, bro. All right, let's see. Bream, surely. Had to be. Oh, he's not even that big. He's not even that big. But there is another fish. Fish? Nah. Yes. Baby? Yes, it's a baby. It's a Dink City, boy. We're at Dink City now, bitch. Oh yeah. Welcome to Dink City. I'll be your host, Dink Bream. Nice, good session all in all. We had to put in the yards to find that flatty, but I'm fucking stoked we did it. Finished with a few different species too. Perch, trev, flatty, whiting, bream, 5. That's not bad all in all. Troll definitely worked the best, but throwing plastics was okay. Yeah, I think we'll give it a little bit before we come back here. We need a little bit more rain, I think, to push the flathead down, because they're a bit quiet at the moment. But glad we fucking put in the work we did to get that fish. Stoked about that. Good shit. I hope you all enjoyed.